Hello. So we apparently skipped our 1 month project 10 pan update. Don't worry, we're still going strong. So we're gonna just transport ourselves because now it is the 2 month update. So I'm gonna show you our progress. We have some very good progress and we're gonna do a little switch out. So I have kept most of my stuff in here, but yeah, whatever. Okay, so first things first, we finished this glow oil. I'm going to refill this with my regular vitamin E oil. I can't get this little tiny bit out, but so we finished this, completely finished it. Next fantastic thing, this NYX concealer was down to where you see that black line. I've used so much. There must be maybe like 3 uses in here left. So this is on its way out. I have now come to realize that this is my absolute favorite concealer. I have other concealers I need to work through, but I want to repurchase this. This is in the shade Light. It's just the best. It really is. It's medium coverage, but it's creamy. It lays nice on the skin. It's not too like thick and gross. But let's get into the rest. I've been using this Milk, what is it, matte bronzer stick, like every day, no problem. I really like it as a nose contour. This is pretty much like a staple now. I've also come to realize that I love this. The shade is so nice. It's in Baked. So I'm just going to continue using this. I don't want to roll it up right now because I really don't want to break it. But believe me, my lip liner is weird. Believe me, I have no problem using this every day. We are going to move a couple of things out. First things first. This Kosas powder, I really don't like it. I don't like many powders, period. This is Cloud Set Airy. It's broken, but there's a ton in here. I'm gonna like keep using it. I don't really like feel myself gravitating towards using this at all. I don't like it, especially for under my eyes. I don't know, I just don't like it. So this is gonna be moved out. As well as these 2 mascaras. I hate this one so much, and it's been open for a while. This Falsies Push-Up Drama. It's so wet and it takes forever to dry, and it's like spidery and clumpy and wet and gross. I don't like it. This one is e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I really like this one, but it's been open for a while. So we're going to move these out, and these are going into the trash can because they're done. So, also, this Rare Beauty blush. I've used it a few times. It's disgusting. I don't know if it's breaking me out. So we're going to try it again, and if I get another like little pimple in that area, I know it's from this, and then I don't know, we'll be done with it. So keeping that in, I didn't have like much progress on this, but I do like it a lot. This concealer, I don't like the shade, but I guess we're going to keep using it. It works good. I'm going to put some on this pimple, actually. Alright, so that's like the update. So we're done with 1, 2, 3, 4 things. So I need to move some other stuff in there. Let's see. I'm literally at my makeup desk right now. It's a disaster. Yeah, so we're gonna add this in. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in Light Revealer. This is the shade Porcelain. I have it on today. I really like this. So we're gonna put this in. I'm also going to put in this Revlon Skin Lights bronzer. This is the shade 110 Sunlit Glow. It does have pan. I'm sorry for this weird filming angle, and I'm just holding my phone, but it's like whatever. I do have pan on it. But I've been using this for like 2 years and there's so much left, so I just don't mind that it's already hit pan. I just want to continue. We're going to continue with that. Next item. I'm deciding as we go. Let's add in this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in Sunkissed. I used it today. I really like it. It's not too dark for me. I'm like light warm. And I haven't gotten much sun. So this is working well. We're going to add that in. So we got 3. I need one more item to keep it at the 10. Let's do another. No, let's not do that. Let's do this. I don't want this to run out, but it's going to. So we're going to include this. Caught You Bare Naked, Wet n Wild, Liquid Catsuit, High Shine Lipstick. This is my favorite. Okay. And it's like, this is an easy one because it's like almost gone. And I love this all the time. It's really pale, which is like hard to come by. Really pale. So that's everything for now. Here, let's give you a look at my mess. So, I'm sorry. Okay. Don't mind everything. So these gross things, we still have this, and these couple of items too. I forgot to mention this lip gloss. I'm so all over the place. I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's my update. We're still going. I did purchase off of Mercari like a foundation or 2. I definitely don't need them, but whatever. We're still working through it. So I hope you enjoyed this, even though it's all over the place. I love you guys. It's been a while since I did a nail video. I'm sorry. It's just when I finally get the chance to do my nails, which I didn't even get to finish them. They're on, but they need to be top coated and stuff. When I get the chance to finally do my nails, I just don't feel drawn to do like something so crazy right now. But yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, please comment down below. Nobody comments, and I'm getting sad. Comment down below. Are you doing a Project 10 pan? Do you use any of these little items that I mentioned? Let me know. And let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.